Good day, brothers and sisters. Today's date is Wednesday, May 27, 2020. I repeat, today's date is Wednesday, May 27, 2020. This is Mega Comrade, live from Dallas, Texas, United States, from PFM Broadcasting Room, People's Freedom Movement World Headquarters, Dallas, Texas, United States. God bless you all. I want to first of all congratulate my lovely Oriomo brother, Pastor Sage Izeyamo, the incoming governor of Edo State. The incoming governor of Edo State. Breaking news, everyone. Governor Godwin Obaseki have been denied access to Aso Rock. As we speak, he's stranded at Aso Rock Gate. He's under the mango tree. Kabaka tell you know yeah. Ranamigo tell you know yeah. Edo people tell you know yeah. When he time he said, my brother, tell him something. They tell you, Ogbonisa, Akataka. Share this video. Baseki, Ogbonisa. Magigwala Ogbonisa was at the Beavelu. Awa, Pastor Osage Izeyamo. Congratulations, my lovely brother. Akataka. Share this video. Obaseki is stranded at Osadebe Avenue. As we speak, I repeat, he was at Osadebe Avenue. Obaseki has been denied access in Aso Rock. He arrived in Aso Rock. They told him he cannot see the president. He requested. They said no. He said why? They said there's no reason. He cannot see the president. Give me 1 second. So he later said he wanted to go and see the vice president. He was also denied access. Thank you. Oh God. Freedom for all, freedom for life. Izeyamo, Pastor Izeyamo, Ezegimina Bonta. At all. Doing one is so winner. Okay, Logan. Correct. When you are a worker, him, Logan, where he can. I may have been do in one way. More than one no doubt. Usagewa money. Remain blessed. If you people freedom movement, amen. Ojona.
ya sonyere gbengu ojo na ya riweje kete muda obiokhere ute ahi uluga ohina owese kakabo. Bye bye.
I want to quickly let people know one thing. This audio was sent to me yesterday. You know, I did a video yesterday while I was coming from somewhere. Little that we know what is going to happen today, but I've already predicted this. It's over. Mini primary is already done. Pastor Sagi said, because miraculous Red Bible have already told me. Pastor Sagi Yamu is already in Osadebe Avenue. Is our next governor. Omimafano. Already Omimafan. So what we are not telling people is for every Edo man and woman to come out and let us support Pastor Osagi Yamu. That being said, let me quickly play this audio. 1 second. So, give me 1 second. Oh, instrument Vera, only malfunction. This my instrument is not malfunction. You know, I'm gonna go buy some very soon. Give me 1 minute. Akataka. You know. So, like as I was saying, all the good people of Edo State need to come out and support Pastor Osagi Yamu for upcoming primary between him and Godwin Obaseki. That would be the final blow, final end of Godwin Obaseki, which we know is already there. Godwin Obaseki right now. No, I saw ni Zigbe. Let's go. Share this video. If you don't have anything to do, why press it like? Just be like. Mama galowe do agodi no we ni marela do kwalo sagi o eriya mo bi wa mi o sagi me o sagi be do o sagi me o sagi be governor o sagi me o ni okori ohun ya ki o wa ya we se Iviendo, ivi okurion wahia wawese o warato emi na gmoga ma wagbe no do yero eri yo bosima opa ma bahi eri si mari eke wala ho gogo no wagari oboje usagi no bize jam na ya gwego ge igi na rioba mune as a governor wala ho and people freedom movement odojo na ya gwe usagi ya gogo. Yeah, a woman have already pronounced him a governor. That is the second person after Iranomeo. She's the second that pronounced Pastor Osagi Yamu a governor already. You know what I'm saying? So area, Akataka. I want to acknowledge Gift Iyore from UK, who have just supported our broadcasting before we even get on air. God bless you. Thank you for supporting People's Freedom Movement broadcast. Gift Iyore, I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Obaseki Abuja. Obaseki, Governor Obaseki of Edo State have been denied access to see President Muhammad Buhari. You know what they're going to do? They're going to go look for fake picture, old picture. That is what they're going to start putting out now. Obaseki is stranded at Aso Rock Gate. Obaseki have been denied access to President Muhammadu Buhari. Omo Benaude, oh you can get in the waka like dog. Abi dog. Bakwaye. Today na today. Make una share this video. Mure. Awe rupa edo to e kama de na re warrant geri every year. Governor Obaseki okpa. Akwe woman. Well, just be playing that music there. Hold on, you know what I'm gonna do? Just be patient. Stay right there. Good day, brothers and sisters. This is Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clemente Ranomigo Edegbe, a licensed Texas State licensed private investigator and a commissioned security officer, a former detentioner or correctional or jailer officer in the United States with an impeccable resume. It is my honor to congratulate my lovely Orionwa brother and the good people of Edo State, Pastor Osage Izeyamu. It is my honor to congratulate you for this little victory. We call it little. You know, I want you to know that the good people of Edo State are suddenly behind you. I repeat, Pastor Osage Izeyamu, the incoming governor of Edo State. I want you to know on behalf of the innocent poor citizen worldwide, on behalf of the millions followers of Mega Comrade, millions secret member of People Freedom Movement, we congratulate you and we welcome you to Osadebe Avenue office, your new office, coming November. We are very excited that the good people of Edo State are about to win, who will come and restore law and order in Edo State. Today's date is Wednesday, May 27. I, undisputed president, open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide, the most greatest, the most doggedest, the most fearless, and the most smartest anti-corruption and anti-fraud political movement in the globe, worldwide, all the way from Japan to United States, from the south of Nigeria to the north, from the east of Somalia to Senegal, Cape Verde, all the way from New York City to California, Texas to Chicago. God bless the whole world. Are you going to talk about Canada or UK? People Freedom Movement is the most powerful movement, anti-corruption, anti-fraud movement in the globe today. One of the most powerful. We have done what no other movement can even think. They cannot even do it as a thing. They cannot do it. It takes a lot of courage with clean resume record and many other things to get it done. Are you going to talk about the White House? Are you going to talk about the British number 10 Downing Street, British Prime Minister office and residence? Are you going to talk about the European Union Parliament? Are you going to talk about Italian Parliament? Are you going to talk about Germany, Austria, Spain, and many other? Name it. People Freedom Movement have fight corruption and fraud tooth and nail. Are we going to talk about the embassies? Nigeria fraudulent embassy, we turn it around to become a useful embassy. Thanks to People Freedom Movement, with the leadership of Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clement Iranomigo Edegbe, the open leader of People Freedom Movement, Commander-in-Chief of the Defenseless and the Voiceless, the Tiger and the Lion campaign, the Akataka one of the universe, the Enagbe one of Orion land. Yes, a man who single-handedly led the whole world to campaign against xenophobia in South Africa. Are we going to talk? I single-handedly did it. When I came out to fight against xenophobia in South Africa, it was me and God. Nobody else. It's over. Am I lying? It's between me and God. Not even with my wife. Not even with my children. Me alone. Until when God blow whistle, boom, say, I have ordained you to be the torpedo master. Torpedo master. The architect of political career. You are bad. I mean, they destroy, damage your political career. It damage from this place, from this broadcasting room. Now from here at the key people political career. If you not abide by the rule and regulation of the poor, why is it that now everyone is not running towards to the poor? Thanks to Iranomigo. Before Mega Comrade, people were denying if they are even from village. It was me that came out. Let the whole world know that I'm poor. I am from village. Now everybody is dragging village. It is me that bring out the voice that people were not listening to. Those were the silent majority. The silent majority. We are the majority. How can 1%, 2% will be controlling us? Then I declare open social media torpedo against them. Today, gradually, I want to thank Comrade Tony Kabaka Ado. I say it again. I want to thank Comrade Tony Kabaka Ado. If Tony Kabaka is not here, please invite him. I want him to watch live. When I woke up this morning, I look at my cell phone, this very cell phone right here. When I look at it, I open it up, I saw a message from Tony Kabaka. I said, this one when Tony can't do audio. I said, thank you, Sandra, no more. Thank you for supporting. Thank you. I acknowledge your support. Sandra, thank you so much. You can say it. Sandra just support our brokers. Thank you so much. God bless you. So when I look at the phone, I say, this audio. When I listen to the audio, my brother, just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me answer this call right quick. Hello, Alhaji.
Hello, my friend.
Yeah, Alhaji. How is everything, sir?
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Oh, this line is not that. Give me a second. Let me make it so that people can hear you. Hello?
Hello, I'm with you.
Okay, we are hearing you a little bit, but it's all right. Go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead, Alhaji.
So I was driving, but I just
Okay.
Your governor that is making mouth at Edo,
Mm-hmm.
he went to pray, went to Aso Rock, they denied him to come in.
Okay.
Then was arguing with Ansa, Elijah Ansa. They asked him to go back. Nobody asked him to come. So he should go back, he should go and settle the issue, the problem that he caused at Edo. So that's breaking news.
Wow.
So as the governor, you see, they should not stress himself. I've told him from day one. He should just keep calm. He should come to Lagos for his business. That governor, the governor is Eze Yam.
Woo. Wow.
So anybody who will be movement can see they follow him. That one don't go. When you come to Lagos, come tell Amala Rice here.
Ah.
Lagos is good.
Ewedu. Alaji. Alaji.
You're supposed to see me now on the traffic. See, but I have to tell you.
I see you. You are in traffic. You are driving. Hold on. Let me not tell your face. Siam is driving. Siam Lagos.
I
From
have to
Lagos.
break it for you. I have to break it.
God bless you.
I have to break it. So that's it.
Thank you,
Ask
Alaji.
your people.
Get ready for me.
Your
Oh.
doctor in Eze Yamu. They don't pursue your work and sleep doctor. They don't pursue him. Lagos will pursue him. Abuja pursue him. Maybe he go Kano. No, I'll make him go Zamfara.
Zafara. Okay. Alaji.
I cannot tell you.
Yes.
Look at Eze Yamu. Now, people don't know the confidence where you get. They don't know some people like you. I
Okay.
know they do this kind but because of you. I'm more than that, sir. But because of you, I can see me I'm driving now. But I'm calling you. I have to talk to my friend. Yes, I love you from bottom of my heart.
Oh, I love
That's
you too,
what I have to
Alaji.
do.
I love you too,
So tell
Alaji.
your government it's not Wala himself. You should not lie to people.
Okay.
They don't tell her make it go.
Okay.
There's no chance to see Buhari. If
Okay.
you see Buhari, make him call, make I hear.
Okay.
Now you go know, although it's a lie, sir, they do the lie for your people.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
They don't pursue him.
Hey,
I don't know
Alaji.
where to go again. Lagos pursue him. Abuja pursue him. Zamfara, you go pursue him. If you like, make it go Cotonou. They'll pursue him. I'll tell you, my friend.
Alaji.
I'll tell you later.
Thank you, Alaji. Alaji, prepare for me. I dey come Lagos. Prepare.
They're not taking now. Come. Now Lagos today now.
Uh,
Yeah, your Tiba student.
I see her. See her.
It's out of Lagos.
Wow, see traffic for Lagos. Mona see traffic for Lagos.
You can see you now. This is Lagos.
Mona see traffic.
That's
Wow.
you know.
Okay, Alaji, thank you. I see him. I see it.
Okay, later.
Thank you. God bless you.
Later.
Wow. You see, this is a man I have not even met. You know, he loves what PFM is doing. Through that process, he's driving, he's watching Mega Comrade live. Driving and watching. And I want him to know that we, the People Freedom Movement, will love him. He's a good man. These are one of the good Yoruba friend, brother that I have. Some of the rest of them are general. I don't want to mention name. Retired AIG, DIG, commissioners of police, assistant commissioners of police, and so on and so forth. As you all know, Yoruba people, they love military and they love police. So I have a lot of them. A lot. Time will come when you always started seeing Mega Comrade video, you will be seeing high-ranking military officer laughing. My brother, wallahi talai. We did grande. You know what I'm saying? Iranobigo special. Iranobigo no God. He said, make Obaseki park, make it go Kotonu. He said, Abala, the waiter for Lagos. Say, make it come back. So, you people have heard it now. Alaji say, if for Baseki say he enter Aso Rock, he say, make it commit time, make it sure as he enter. He said, they know how to lie to Benin people. He can go and lie. They go come cut picture. They will say, see Abo. Very soon you will see those pictures will start flying. Obaseki is done. So, my people, Iranomigo, a campaign at this campaign. That's why I go home by the power of God. They campaign for Pastor Sagi Zeyamo. All the way from Edo South to North. Edo east to west. Now, so I go did una go see the effect of social media. What I was saying, Comrade Tony Kabaka, God of remembrance will remember you. You see my brain, very smart. You see as I go back, go start from where I stop. I'm very, very smart. Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu, when I listen to the voice note, Tony, who here face will wake up face in Jesus. Comrade Tony Kabaka, God Almighty will remember you. The God that remember Iranomigo, that we still remember Iranomigo, will remember you. We remember both of us in Jesus' mighty name. Nobody born out of a woman can create problem between me and Tony Kabaka ever again. For me, yes or no? Kabaka want to do this. I'll say, okay, thank you. I'll just sleep. They'll say, what is going on? I say, wait, Tony. Tony, don't carry this. I say, okay. I'll begin to sleep. Aye, Tony. Life is not over yet. If you can see, Tony is a senior to his father. I am a senior to my father. Tony like woman. I like woman. Tony is tough. I am tough. Tony is a lion, he said. Myself, I'm a lion. Tony is a military family. I am a military family. You see that? So we have so much in common. So much in common. Tony have his group. Then I have People Freedom Movement. Whereby my own, they get pastor. They get Ogmaje. PFN get witch. They get evangelist. They get Olukun. They get Aye. They get Aye. They get Mefa. They get Bobo. They get Bokania. They get everything. Generic movement. Generic. People Freedom Movement, not they discriminate. We know they do segregation. If you be okay, handicap, come. If you know they see, come, we will carry your hand, we will work out with you. This is the poor movement. The poor, this is the reason why this movement was created. Not to go and collect money from politicians. Lie, I'm not doing. I have lost a lot of people because of money. But I believe today now they are regretting. They have not regretted yet. We still have home for you. Come back home. This is your home. This is your home. Forget about money. Money is not everything. We are fighting for the poor. You are not fighting for Iranomigo. You are not fighting for Mega Comrade. You are fighting for the poor. We want to liberate our people. Mega Comrade have created that avenue whereby the innocent poor citizen voice will be heard. Before Mega Comrade, Ubomoki. Have you ever seen where person come out and say, hey, my governor, lie. If not me, Mega Comrade, terrorists Abatobaze cannot dare. They do video, they talk, say this. Now only go they follow anybody when they power. If not Mega Comrade, all these rats, cockroach, all these nuisance that are on social media, misbehaving, fighting against the poor, they will not be on social media. But Mega Comrade is the one that brought you people on social media. I also know how to send you people back to your room. Very soon. If you people did not stand in line now, stand behind Pastor Osage and say, Yamu, who have embraced the innocent poor citizen. Before, when governor, they want be governor, they say, Igminedion, Captain Osa, Zodan of Sokoto, Aliko Dangote, Yaragua, Gulo Jonathan. But now village they can't go thanks to a Mega Comrade and Omeo. This time they can't go village. They know they run to GRO again. Mega Comrade have achieved. Today they are now embracing the poor. They are now saying, I am helping the poor. I am serving the poor. Charity. Now me. Go back and see where it all began. All these people on social media, tell them to show you their video. in 2017. Tell them to show you their video in 2018. Tell them to show you their video and see if you will see one. Zero. Go back and look at where Mega Comedy started. Go and see if there's PFM there. Zero. It's not there. So when people go out and say, we started it together, I say, shut up your mouth. You'll be balloon. Do you know how much I squander? When you would make Belikwa, where so far may say. So if you start on with me, go and check that video. After me alone, my family can't join. People Italy, people Europe, people that were dying, their family they were not supporting emotionally, spiritually, physically, and otherwise. Until when my money run dry. After my money run dry, I started begging one way or the other. Some, few of them, maybe 10. You know, some of them were tired. They say, I'm not going to help him again, make it go so. But I want you to know, we have home for you. With the way you left me, if you would have left me like that and I could not move forward, everything would have gone down. But I thank God Almighty. I continue to struggle. I want to thank my lovely daddy, my father, Pa Kingsley Odigye, a United States, Nigeria retired Navy officer. And I want to thank my lovely brother, Fred Adowari. And I want to thank my lovely brother in Japan. Followed by Mama Hesh and my lovely Osato. You see the way I graded. So you yourself in your mind, you will not check and say, you have really helped people freedom movement. You calculate and say, I'm in a number 2 or number 3. That means this man have really suffered. So you calculate on your own and know. You know. So you see what I'm saying? Japan. My brother in Japan. I know they worry more. You know. So, and for those of you who run out because of money, how much are they going to give you? 10 million naira, 20 million naira, 200 million naira. Can 200 million naira tie your road? No. Even though you took that money, you go and build a skyscraper or you build a mansion, how are you going to get to that mansion? There's no fire department. If fire enter that your mansion, it will burn down. If there's no road, armed robber will rob you and they will kill you. Or kidnapper will come, they will kill you. No security. So that money is worth zero. To me, that is how I look at things. When Obaseki offered me money through his friends, the first question I asked myself, Obaseki friend, you people are offering me money. Would this money construct Orion Road? Would this money bring people from Libya? Would this money rescue our brother in sub-Saharan Africa, in South Africa? Would this money provide security for the good people of Edo State or Nigeria? As the answer was no. Would this money survive me till I die? The answer was no. So therefore, no negotiation. His friend was calling me. Many, even his brothers in Atlanta, the professor, this, Obasa, they all were calling me. One even promised, remember one video I did that if he will use a plane to go and carry people from Libya. He promised me that. He said I should just stop. I should not talk to him again. As soon as he comes, he is going to do that. One day he will answer to the innocent poor citizen. I'm not going to mention his name yet. Obaseki cousin. So, you know, before you begin fight for your pocket, you that is calling, you are an evil person. I don't know why you are calling. Let me just block you. I'm here talking. You want to do like say you sabi. When people are dying in the sea, people are dying in Libya. Now you are blocked. How can you not call now? So that is the problem. You people don't listen. If I would have collected money by now, I would be either 220 or 230 million richer today. if I would have collected that money, maybe if I would have been inside, even terrorists, they were begging me, heal us, blah, blah, blah. Now, so they would do the make I just take picture with the governor. Now, only that one will just come outside the building. Even Akeyele, ask Akeyele, Taiwo, the former chief of staff. He said they will pick me in the airport. They will just carry me to government house, take picture. They do that. They know I have power. The most smartest people, smartest person that I've seen in this race is Pastor Sage Zeyamu. He knew the importance of Iranomigo. In APC platform, in our platform, the real APC platform, I was the first person to come out and endorse Pastor Sage Zeyamu openly. From there, I could get many enemies. They say, you will be leader. I said, which leader? Me, I be an independent-minded man. I don't get anybody come when I know say go agree with the poor, I follow. You know. Ask Comrade Tony Kabaka, ask Comrade Sapowano Moles, ask Comrade Shaba. It come to a point, they even call me and advise me, but I did not bug. I follow my heart as a pastor. Because I know pastor have sympathy. Pastor get children. Obaseki, God give my children, say he don't want. You know, Obaseki don't want to hear the cry of a baby. How can somebody that don't want to hear the cry of a baby will be taking care of baby? Esunu. Omone gwale vomo. Odo akba womo. To Obaseki maseti biye. O waseti neko mo. O we kiano sabari ni. O we ya we obe we ona we ohe. O we ya biye. Obaseki go fit born 20 children if you want. But God Obaseki, he hates children. He hates children, but he know how to use other people's children. Pastor Sage Zeyamu love kills, love children like I do. If you look at it, our traditional rulers, they love children. Here biele, Amigo biele, pastor biele, pastor get children. If one child died in the sea under pastor, he go cry. Trust me. But Obaseki, he not go cry. Look at many things. God Obaseki that could not finish furnishing hospitals so that your children will go there. He said, lie. He get my do. Oh boy, he mean he plan one Obaseki get with the Niger Chad Republic Fulani when they be want to take over those states. Thank God Almighty. As God bring it an Omigo, God come bring Tony Kabaka, come they support me, they support the poor. Before Tony day in their side, make you see, Akeyele Taiwo, he did their side, former chief of staff. Have you ever heard since then say Akeyele Taiwo? No. As I see, Obaseki people were happy. They wanted me to piroring. I must say, lie. I'm not going to do their dirty work for them. May they use their hand, do their dirty work. Very smart. I tell Governor Obaseki, I said my goal is to make him one-time governor. One-time governor. One-time, because that governor was a mistake governor. Mistake. He not even winner. He must go up. Hear me. Can we have Yakba? Miracle of the Bible. Go and bring my Bible. He must go. So, my good people of Edo State, this is not about Iranomigo. This is bigger than Iranomigo. It's bigger than me. It's bigger than you. If you want your state to be called Edo State, not Fulani State, support Pastor Sage Zeyamu. If you want your children to have good health care, support Pastor Sage Zeyamu. If you want to have good security from Lagos to Benin, and if you reach Benin, you will be going around without fear of favorable, support Pastor Sage Zeyamu. If you want to live in a better life, support Pastor Sage Zeyamu. If you don't want kidnapper to come and kidnap you or your mama or your papa, support Pastor Sage Zeyamu. If you want a good road, you want to travel to your village less than 30 minutes by metro, support Pastor Sage Zeyamu. If you want to have constant electricity, support Pastor Sage Zeyamu. If you want to stop the illegal migration support Pastor Sage Izeyamu. If you want to go to overseas, to go and study and learn, migrate to Europe legally, support Pastor Sage Izeyamu. If you don't want to stay in the camp, pastor camp, Italy, pastor, and also pastor that they feed us, support Pastor Sage Izeyamu. These are most of the things that Governor Obaseki have failed. There is no running tap water in as big as Edo State. No running tap water back in the days when we were going to school. When we are going to Ogbe Stadium, before Arosa Junction there, we were hungry at the man of war. Then they look over. Hey, my father, don't you worry. Oh, my mother, don't you worry. Oh, my president, look after my baby. If he happen to die in the man, no, never mind. We shall be. You know what I'm saying? Mega Comrie. After we don't match with that ye kaki, sweat don't kill us. I started from village. You. Hey, I don't suffer. They go, they whoop. We go enter tap, we go open tap, drink water. You go to smell the good of chlorine, add that water that they purify. You put your hand, they drink tap water. Our clean. Can you find one again today? No. Under Pastor Osage said, Mona share this video. Don't be lazy. Waga video now. Under Pastor Osage said, Yamu, they hacken, right? No. Yeah, they freeze them. They freeze the viewer. So force them to do it. They use the software they are using. It's okay. Under Pastor Osage said, Yamu, all these social amenities, basic social amenities, will be reinstalled for within 8 years. Then when the Sama go come enter for another 8 years, you go see Edo State go change completely. If they can build Dubai, we can build Edo State to become Dubai. Obaseki have been in power for 12 years. He worked with Comrade Adamali Oshomole. Adamali Oshomole brought infrastructure. Obaseki refused to continue from there. Obaseki have failed. Now everybody is rejecting him. Very soon, Exodus, movement of the people, all these people. I know European boys, they go they jump for sheep. Pia, 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 pia. They go they jump. Make una jump. Everybody jump. Make una jump. Come where are they? Today, Pastor Sage Izeyamu and God of Iranamigo have proven that we are winner. You don't hear since then when they tell say Iranamigo, they're not talking about you. They don't see her. They don't see her. There's no way for them. It's over. And I want to thank Ogemonyi, Engineer Ogemonyi, and my lovely Orion brother, Dr. Pius Odubo Igbirame. Thanks for trying. And I will thank you. We all need to, either way, you already did it, come together and support our man, Edoma, Pastor Osage Izeyamu. So, that being said, Tori Kabaka, may God Almighty continue to bless us together. God forbid, whatever you lost, I guarantee you, you're going to get it back. What I've lost, I will get it back. What you people have lost, you all will get it back in Jesus' mighty name. If we know we were, also I replace it anyway times 10. Kuwe no gbemijema, kuwe no watch mena, ni money all, any money all. Edo State will be safe again. Foreigner will leave. They will leave. They will leave. Imagine. Komri Shaba, Tony Kabaka, Iranomigo, Sakboma, and many others that we don't want to mention name. They begin to do street patrol. Street patrol. Let's say, for example, Tony Kabaka area. If one person steal, pass away. Tony! Domino Yara, yeah, Tony, Wawa, Amwere. I want to do it for the Wamwere, Etiri Ameniwa, Eriono. Owa sunu Orion. Around me, I would make it. Orion. It was Joy Bizube. John! What? Oh, you know, Rani. Where are you? No, come the police, or come the police, will aware. Oh, why was you know Shabba when I were my gun that you are who I would begin aware. A Shabba where Alare, our quick man way. Don't know we are not. Or once you was upon one well gone, one we are or gone in Muyana, my say, who will me want more. Who will I do say for you? Erigo do not do any ability of me. Area that is called community policing. A peace go just deepening. Instead of Texas, when I wanted to join Dallas Police Department, the first thing they always emphasize on, have you lived in Dallas County for so period? They choose their police from their community. They not go Chicago, go bring policeman come. La lie. Because now who know road? Like the shape person road. In terms of security, once Pastor Sage say you enter power, we go they drive from Benin to Auchi 3 a.m. in the morning. I will see one here. And nothing they happen. Urobo, Ichekiri, Igbo, Aunsa, Yoruba, they go here say, if you want rob, you want kidnap, no near Edo State too. No John near. You see that governor when he talk. That governor, you know they play. If we catch any foreigner, call rob for Benin, we will go in state, go in Papa house, go in Mama house. They go come answer for Benin. All the family go involved. Operation no robbery, operation no kidnapping, operation free Edo State will be implemented. Me, I trust comrades, my co-comrades that will do it. You know what I'm saying? How you go? Yo go, how you go? You say you want to go stay for a pay. Iwe, John, no buy it here. I won't buy him. John, anyway, do in Morocco. And I saw you doing for Morocco. I will know. I'll just call the other one. Now, so you doing for Libya? Go say no, that's okay. Who come match robbery roadblock there? Don't say, but can I find them all? Agbale mure, very yo. Police station Kogi, Yamweri. So it's easy to implement security. Very, very easy. Community policing. Not all this year when they rob, when they go. If they catch you, say you abuse your power. Now jail you, they go straight. And for the poor, law and order. How I implement a law and order. Mametana. That one go just call EPA, I not get work. Which one you got? You know they do construction. You know yesterday they build a train metro. You know go work there. Which other work they find? Go. Me I go. Everybody will be my wife you can. My wife go metro. From Edo south to north, east to west, railroad. A train walk back through at the Italiano. A dollar. Woo. That will bring revenue. We have a company here who will be willing to give Edo State electricity. 10 years guarantee. That light will not go off. I know the CEO. I used to go and protect him when I was a custom protection officer here in Dallas, Texas. We just carried bazooka monima. I was the only Nigerian man there. We used to protect him. I know the man, I know him one-on-one. He can provide electricity for those 10 years guarantee. Not be all this one where they say with the build bank. You do not need all these things. You don't need heavy. They go to dig ground. Wayo GBT. So my people, I came out today to congratulate my lovely Edo brother, Pastor Osage Izeyamu, and to educate people the reason why we should continue this trend to progress. Let all things go. Obaseki have stayed there for 12 years. 12 years. Obaseki not there Edo State administration for 12 years. Yes or no? We can vote. 12 years. We can vote. 12 years of Agbara, 11 years plus. He has less than 6 months in the office. Less than 6 months. So that being said, we are going to open our phone line.
The governor no we to along but the governor not take
12 years, he did not nothing. Watch. Pastor Sage Izeyamu, Esama, and a donut man say how they will take feast at those states. That is the 3 wise men. 3 wise men. Pastor Sage Izeyamu from Edo South, Edo Central, and Edo North. Yeah. Now they go feast Edo State completely. Comrade Adamali Oshomole will remain father forever. Father. The founding father of development and infrastructure in the 21st century. Now, Comrade Adamali Oshomole, the father of all comrades. Now, give her that name, father of all comrades. So, my line is now open for calling. We're going to take 10 calls, 10 only. 10 calls only. So, if you know you are not yet supporting Pastor Sage Izeyamu, this is an opportunity for you to get on board so that you will mark your day. Say, now this day I begin to support her. When I see Asimalo Agbogunte make you turn, heavy you turn, and heavy you turn, or make you see as everybody now that they make you turn, yeah, wagbe, when I just they do that, you turn. So I saw one person that I used to support Obaseki where I saw what he write. He was writing something. I said, hey, this one won't make you turn. Let's answer the first caller. Hello. Hey, Mudia, why would it connect? Mudia, hold on, don't hang up. Okay. I think I removed it. Sorry, it was my fault. Yeah, hold on. Give me a second. It was my fault. I have to connect it. Okay, I think. Hello.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Go ahead.
May God bless you for your good job.
Thank you.
Something I want to tell you, those states indigene. I will call them non-citizen. I will call them the indigene of those states.
Mm-hmm.
They said Agbeus, they should chase every Agbeus away from the street. By chasing Agbeus away from the street, it doesn't help. Even in Europe, even that America, not everybody that is a graduate.
They have a
I left Nigeria down to this place. I did come to a certificate. I have opportunity to go to school here. I'm a citizen, but I'm okay with the job I'm doing. The money I earn out of the day. Still yet, I'm still working. I sometimes earn more than people that with qualification. That is on one part. Now there is a place we call city center here. That place belongs to the indigene of this place. It's like Ring Road. Those people trade on the street. They don't pay tax. A cigarette and tobacco is not allowed to sell illegal in the street. Those people do it. The police see them. They don't disturb them. They let them do their business because they're the original indigene.
That is community policing. Community policing.
Exactly. So now, these boys that come from Ring Road, Bobai, from Etiosa, Lubini, they have the right to do their things they have to do. Not everything government put out. Obaseki they put out for every penny. It's not good for them. Everybody go school. People learn work now. Some people learn work and they can't only pass who go school here as a builder.
They go help us fix those things. They go nowhere. I say we don't get Agberu. We get community policing people. That is it. We don't get made them.
So if what they pray for, you understand? Make Pastor Sajay, make God help her, make he enter there. Those community people, they go everybody where come from. Where you for come? The way Kabaka talk about that, if you come from Ego, you go work for Ego. If you come from Uzebu,
you go work for Uzebu.
If you work for Orion, if you come from Orion, work for Orion.
Simple.
That's why go be, sir.
Eriowano matter. Nothing go change now.
Yeah, no more Agbero. Go have your certificate. Now everybody goes to, so people learn work. What do people learn work, learn weather, learn mechanic? They don't go work.
Don't mind them.
Farmer, weather, a mechanic, a spray painter. So if they don't run their workshop, they don't go come and come look for a job.
He want turn Edo State to Fulani in Niger Republic. That is why he say make it chase them away. This time we go restore and
Edo NGG, they pay every week. Go to River State, they pay NGG of Ikwere. I grew up in River State anyway. I grew up in Ikwere Road. My 1, my 2, my 3. Ikwere Road. Back up for Obasanjo police station. Now then my last place where I stay. They pay NGG of River State money. Without they're not doing anything, they're sitting at home. Why you come tonight and do their right? So now waiting I say your talk with that. May God bless you.
Thank you. All right. So we have Monaco. You can see my YouTube and Facebook have been attacked. So you can see they are striking my viewer, but it's okay. They've been doing it for 3 years, 4 years plus. It's terrorist 4+4 terrorist group. They will pay for it one day. So let me quickly play this.
Kabaka tell you know here. Osho Baba tell you know green. Awa tell you know here. You say on a sorry. When in time he said my brother, tell him person. They tell him person, they tell him person. When you tell him person, they tell him person, tell him person. Oh, Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go.
A lot of people that have not seen pain. Let me quickly say this, please. Hold on. If you know you want the betterment of Edo State, turn around and come and join the movie train. Movie train. Alitalia. You know Alitalia, that train. Come and join the speed train now. It's about to leave Edo South. Heady Edo not to. Come and join though. La way, So, you know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to do a video later in the evening. So, we will not want this one. I'm sorry that I have to change this. Look at this text message. We are going to do video in the evening. I will change it. But later in the day, Mega Comrade will be out. So, once again, congratulations. And it's very lucky. Let Mama Hesh call on this one quickly. Mama Hesh, let me quickly turn it back on. Where's Mama Hesh? He have a message of worry or God. When I work with Iziga. Let me quickly answer this. Hello.
It's Padomo.
Baby, are you?
Hey, I'm a daddy.
Go yo.
About the Bauer.
He said, go ahead.
God will bless you with your family for the good work you are doing for Benin people.
Amen.
Okay. My question, maybe a call Abbas come. Now, Abbas, I want to ask 2 questions.
Okay.
Abbas Obaze, you people have been saying that we don't need Godfather for Benin.
Mm-hmm.
Waiting Obaseki, they go Lagos and Abuja, they find now.
Okay.
Is it Godfather or Rigi election? Abbas, we want to know the position. You know, they say people do twice time. The first time now, what we don't give you, people lost. Now they just say, Adoshomole, now Godfather, we don't need this one. We don't need this one. Una say Obaseki, it dey work. So maybe good work when they tell us for social media propaganda when they tell us. They made that one speak for Bonisan. That is your grandfather. Ni babola egbe wo bi ni babola egbe wa van.
He said,
Abba, umaya sunu konohi tuwe ya ne ya kiye de all your bebe don't talk to what where you say they lie. Abba, we Edo people we need direct election. Abba, since all this say where your papa they run they go Lagos, if they run go Abuja, you never come out now to tell Edo people why your papa they run they go Obaseki. What he gonna do for Lagos now?
okay.
And Abuja
Okay.
one room.
Okay.
And Abba, this time around, that your trick is already failed, and we fail you and your grandfather, Obaseki.
Amen.
So Abba, we need your answer. Wait till your father, your governor, not be my governor again because he remained 2 days, may live there. Not be my governor again. Abba, I beg. The question where you want to ask me, why come again? Your papa tell us say he don't do hospital, everything dey okay, and somebody wey tell us say in Americana. I never see whether they use 3 tires say they do ambulance that bad, and now how they say they push person where they put for his ambulance they roll for street. Abba, I beg may you with your governor come tell us the kind future we don't go for those people. The time of this COVID-19, will your papa go bring 3 tires of ambulance? And which you know say your papa no road where 3 tires one follow for Benin. I never see somebody say emergency, they'll call you 3 tires say they carry person one come hospital. How bad? Another question where I get where you want to answer me with your useless papa, Obaseki. Your papa tell us say he want prove Adoshomole say build hospital. How many years where he did there? Somebody work, if he less work, you go continue for there. Instead of your part to continue with equipment, say you want prove Adoshomole, but somebody will say you want prove now. Now you go to bed for Lagos, say make it call help you do election. How bad? I bet more than that. How bad? Yes, this message may reply also. Now my question be that. Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, God bless you. Call, bye-bye. Okay, we are waiting for Mama H, mega comrade of God. Me wa mudia kidigba. I tell you, I say na Pastor Sagi is yamu, na direct primary. Pastor Sagi is yamu and Obaseki. They go vote. Mama of the house, Otiene. Mama H. Hello. Hello. Hello, Koyo. But I am a cassava, Mama H.
I just laugh.
Go ahead.
I just laugh, they happy. I they laugh for the question when my brother asked. They don't answer that question. They don't go answer.
Blah lie.
He said, don't go big up message your mama. Make you see what they do.
Picture, photo. Get done with we get or yet we buy hotel, buy with us rule.
No, it's logic that it's a logic area in Daniel.
Correct.
FPC when
one manager broken English.
FPC knows that if they get put this Tristan Gate governor, that I don't like to move to PVP. They know that. For FPC to be in the state is because of Pastor Sagi Ezeya. And they don't want to jeopardize that at all. I'm telling you, if they have made that mistake and put this Tristan governor, I don't like to have move to PDP and vote whoever is on PDP because of him. But they don't want that to happen. That benefit is centralized, so not to start to everywhere. So as long as FPC is there, they don't want to lose their things.
Okay.
Plus all this rubbish, plus all this destruction he's been doing. You don't know the mind of these people over there in Abuja. For you to betray your own person, therefore you can even betray them more. He doesn't know their mindset. If I wish he knew how they think. You betray somebody that helped you. So if they also help you now you're not coming back again, what are you going to do to them? So it's not to be trusted at all. I just want to beg our incoming governor that he should just make sure he takes care of people. For me, those people are just people selling all those little markets. They have their own business. Those people selling water, pure water, and those peanuts and all that. All those tax they are giving them, you should try and look into it. All those dressing salons, it's not fair business. You should try and look into it because it's unheard of that they will be paying so much tax like that. That is what I really want to see him doing for the poor.
Wesley, thank you, Mama H. Mama H, put your hands together for Mama H. Koya. So, brothers and sisters, I want to acknowledge my lovely daughter, Mama Anita. Thank you. Keep it up. Well, I will keep it up. Where's you? Thank you so much. You see, €5. I will keep it up. You see, how many people you don't see when they take €5? They say keep it up. Bam. For YouTube, now later on me, that's why they go. Yeah, move me. Take your instrument. I they talk when I tell you, why I'm making a plane here. What feel day? All our one picture. Let my wife. All in my function. Let me snap it right quick. So, this instrument, maybe later in the day, I will raise money for this instrument. Make a buyer. I need this instrument. Even though Mama H don't tell me, say, he go try, see what he can do. That is why they malfunction. Oh, yeah, I mean, already day, we prepare. He told me, all right, one malfunction. I don't see her. You see her? All right, one malfunction. See her? Now, Regina. Nice one. This one, you know, when you take the mover up and down, so it can't worn out, it can't fall, can't tie. So I need a new one. Everything new one, you know. So maybe about 400 to 500 euro, everything will be okay. So I'll be able to do that. So we have to get ready for that area. So that being said, we are not going to make this video long. So we have to sign off for now. Later today, Mega Company is going to come out. We are going to enjoy ourselves. If I'm not celebrate. So Governor Obaseki, he should ask his people to tell us why they refuse him entry in Abuja. You know what I say? If today is the first time you are watching us, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the icon, bell icon button. Whenever we are online, then it will send you automatic signal. Mega Company is online. And follow us on People's Freedom Movement YouTube page. Subscribe to all channels. Very soon, PFM will be broadcasting live from Benin City. By next week, inshallah, they'll be broadcasting live from Benin City. PFM were able to raise money to do that. Maybe at the weekend, have a phone here. Now we are able to buy a bigger camera. So that one, I will go and check the price today so that I can buy a small one. We have one, but you know, during that Vision 2020, all our iPad, everything we gave to them. The boss in here wa view. So now ya mommy ya wa do ya view. A phone in my deli ya wa view. They all took it. All the phone we bought for them, everything, iPad, everything gone. They did not return one. So this time we are going to make them to sign papers, document. Whenever you leave, you return it. Whenever you leave, you return it. So I'm saying this today now. Not tomorrow. If they took it, people will say, "Pa, just leave it for them." It's not easy. You will not give me the money. So if we give anything to anybody and they decide we are going to sign a contract 19 December, If you leave now till December, say you want to grow yourself because we don't teach you how to do it. Now you want to be a man of yourself, then we'll arrest you. You know what I say? We'll arrest you, police. You are police more. So maybe not consider and maybe they arrest people that time. So I don't talk now. If you know, see, you know what? And we are looking for videographer and a graphic designer. We are looking for graphic designer and a videographer in Nigeria, in abroad. So if you want to be a part of this, send me an audio note on my phone. You can get my phone number in People Freedom Movement platform. Just go there. You can see it on PFM page, Facebook page. So that is it for now. And I want to thank Mama Anita. I want to thank who else? Let me see people that you know what? Let Facebook go first. Well, Facebook, we have to sign you out, okay? If you want to join or meet us on YouTube, we're going to spend 20 minutes more on YouTube. Thank you. Correct.
You say all that sorry. When it tell me said my brother, tell him person, then I tell him person, tell him person. When you go clear, tell him person, then I tell him person, tell him person. Do you know why I'm singing this music? No. It's because some of our brothers, you say all that sorry. When it tell me said my brother, tell him person, then I tell him. When you go clear,